Thought means intention. I had a thought in my mind. An intention is nothing but a thought. I want to do this or I don't want to do this is a thought in my mind. I've still not done it. Yeah? Simple. Intention is nothing but a thought. This has been boiled down to the grassroots level. Then you give it any more flowery names that you want.
So lack of jnana also leads to karma, right?
Now, this, when do I get stuck in raga and dvesha? When there is lack of jnana. Do you get it? The more I mature, the more I am in knowledge, the more I meditate, that means my jnana is increasing. My raga and dvesha automatically start reducing. And my karma starts reducing. Are you getting it?
I think instead of making it plus, multiplied by, the raga is 0, then karma is 0.
Okay.
If dvesha is 0, then...
Okay, so you multiply with it. Got it? Now, what is the meaning of getting attached? He gave you a very simple example. A little child just looks at that prick or the injection and starts screaming and shouting. Yeah? Nothing has happened yet. How many times you do it in life? Maybe not a doctor, but for a situation in life. Yeah? For a thing. Yeah? Something has not even happened yet, but you start screaming and shouting out of fear. Oh my God, what will happen? Will this happen? Will this not happen? Will I get this? Will I get that promotion? Will my manager appreciate me? Will my wife do this? Will my husband do that? Will. What is this? Attachment. Are you getting this? Yeah? This is attachment to my future. I'm also attached to my past. He said this. He should have not said this. How dare he say this to me? I like this. I like this very much. No, I dislike this. This is all attachment. Are you getting it? So what to do now? Everywhere there is attachment. Drop what?
Maintain somehow.
An equanimous state. Remember he said, when you have coffee, it's not giving you any pleasure. But not having coffee is causing you all restlessness and headache or whatever, if tea is your thing. Are you seeing this? Mm-hmm. So you have coffee or tea karma. Yeah? You are stuck, you are attached. When you reach a state where doesn't matter if there is coffee or there is tea or it is not there, it doesn't matter to me. That is the state of non-attachment. Then you will not create karma. Simple? Till that time, you will keep accumulating seeds of karma. Your bag is just becoming fuller and fuller and fuller and fuller. It's getting heavier. Recognize it.
It's a very tough subject to pass. I think it was much easier.
So now I have a bag. He did this, look. Positive karma and negative karma. Somewhere you do some good things. You have a bag. Yeah? Some things you do bad, some things you do good. Some bad, some good, some bad. It's mostly bad, right? Yeah, now you get into knowledge, you understand this, you start working on yourself. You decide, okay, drop. Doesn't matter if I get this or not. I'm just going to work and not worry about the karma phalam. He said this, no? What does Lord Krishna say? Do your karma. Drop the karma phalam. What is the meaning of karma phalam?
Don't worry about the
Result of the action. What will happen? That is attachment, no? I want this to happen is raga. I don't want this to happen is dvesha. It's my attachment. So he says, you do karma, drop karma phalam. So you start doing that, okay? You start converting all your negative to positive, slowly positive, 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 positive. Now what happens? Now you have a bag full of positive karma. Is that good? Job done?
The bag is still there.
It's still there. Are you seeing this? What will happen with positive karma? He explained to you.
That could lead to negative karmas as well.
How?
By
Attracting the
starting to-
negative.
How?
By attracting the negative.
How will I
negativity.
attract negative?
Start finding negativity from
I find negativity in other people. Oh, I am so good. I'm doing so much good. I'm doing so much charity. What does it do to me? My ego expands. And the moment ego comes up, what happens? Oh, he is bad. She is bad. He is bad.
You create barriers.
You start having again negative. Are you getting this? Again you start working. Again you start doing positive, 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 positive. Again what happens? Again negative. This cycle keeps repeating. Are you getting this? This is the problem on the spiritual path with many, many people. Many people get stuck here. You have to go one more step ahead. Don't get stuck here. And what is the next step?
Nirvana.
How? What is the next step?
You dissolve in knowledge.
Drop even your positive karma. You just act.
Just don't think.
Just act. Drop this attachment to positive, negative, this should be this way, this should not be this way. Concepts of right and wrong. You will do this ahead in Ashtavakra. Drop. Just do. This situation demands that I come here, teach, and I go. I come, I teach, I go. I've not created any karma. But the moment I start expecting something, oh, he should do this, and she should not do this, and he should listen, and he should do this, then what have I done? I've started filling my bag. Are you getting this? It may be a positive, but I've started filling my bag. No use. If you can just do your action, purely do the action and go. Done. Next.
Even if you get angry, just get it done and then move on.
Happened. Drop. You thinking again, I got angry. What are you doing?
You're stuck.
You're beating yourself up. Yeah? And what was Ashtavakra's principle?
Forgiveness.
Kshama. With
Compassion.
sincerity. Arjava. Then only I don't repeat it. No, if there is no sincerity, then I keep doing the same thing. Yeah? Sincerity. Now I have done it, it's okay. But from now onwards, I will not repeat this. To myself, I commit to myself. It's not about the other people. I don't even know who the other people are. Yeah, it's for you. You commit to yourself. Now, a new beginning. I drop whatever was there, was in the past. Kshama. Yeah? With sincerity, I begin new. Can you do that? Yeah? Whatever Sanchita was, it was of the past. I will not hold on to that. And recognize whoever in your life you like or you dislike is there because of your karma. So directly or indirectly, you have chosen that person. Do you understand this? The more you hate a person, you will definitely be born in that person's house next lifetime.
We don't.
And then after the last class, I've stopped hating people. You were like, oh God.
You can slap a person, you can hurt a person, but you cannot hate a person. Because hatred will make you be born in that person's house and live an entire lifetime with him or her. Do you want that? Did I scare you enough?
Oh yes.
This moment, drop hatred. It's all of the past. This moment, I am new. This moment, I let go. It was all Sanchita. Can you let go? this moment stop nurturing that seed. You know what you're doing? That seed of hatred, you put it deep under the earth and you're putting all water and fertilizer. Obviously, hatred plant is going to come up. Stop. Unearth that seed. What happens by unearthing? What is unearthing? If a seed is buried in the earth, in the ground, I have unearthed it. I have dug it up. What will happen?
It will not
No
sprout.
point
It
roots.
will not sprout. It will not grow. That's exactly the formula. There is no other way. So drop all your hatred, your jealousy, your greed, your anger, whatever it is. Sanchita, this moment I am here. Then do that. Kshama not only for me, but for him or her, whoever took that smile away right now. Yeah? Just drop. Let go. If he's there, it doesn't matter. If he's not there, it doesn't matter. Can we all do that? So homework number 1. Let go of the strong emotion that you have for that person. Whoever this person is, huh? That's why you all laughed and smiled. Because there is one person at least.
No, it's more like even if you don't have, you will be scared to even hate somebody.
Yeah?
That's more.
So drop your negativity, whatever it is. Anger, hatred, jealousy, greed, sadness,
What is it?
betrayal.
Question?
Huh?
Homework?
Drop your negativity towards this person.
It's a big question.
And whatever that negativity is, you know.
Does this also mean attachment?
Yes, my negativity is also attachment only, no? I tell you something, you are attached, not only attached, you are glued to the person you hate. How much do you think about the person you love? Hardly. And how much do you think about the person you hate? Again and again and again. And you become like the person you think about. Have you noticed this? Husband and wife after 20, 30, 40 years look alike also. Yeah? Why? You decipher. Yeah, recognize this. Wake up. So I will drop whatever my Sanchita karma was with this person. It's in my past. Maybe that person is still a part of my prarabdha, is in my present. But my hatred or my anger was of the past, no? The seed was of the past. But if it is today, my prarabdha, I have to go through it. Are you getting this? Prarabdha itself means you are on the highway, in action. Right? There is another talk on karma in which Guruji explains this. In prarabdha, you are on the highway. Okay, this is your lane. But you have so many lanes, na? You have an option. Forget the other side of the road, okay? This is your side of the road. Your lane is going, there is an exit. Suppose you are in this lane. It means you are in a lot of hatred, anger, irritation, depression, whatever, negativity. Yeah? But you are stuck. Prarabdha means you have to go through it. You will see this exit. But when will you see it? You have to change lanes to get out here. How do I make it possible to change lanes? Awareness. Jnana means nothing but increasing my knowingness, my awareness. How will this awareness increase?
Meditating.
Recognizing this, that whatever was is of the past. I drop my negativity. So what have I done? Immediately I've changed my lane. Is this enough? Dropping the negativity of the past?
Not to even go back to
Now I should not create new karma. because of the past. He did this, she did this, I'm carrying that anger, I'm carrying that negativity. But today what am I doing?
Creating more.
I'm creating more karma by just avoiding or being angry or throwing out these negative seeds. He did something to me. I was angry in the past. I am still carrying that anger and I'm throwing out a seed right now. What is this seed called? Agami. Is this clear? So not just Sanchita, you have to change the lane, come to Agami and drop the Agami also. Did you get it? Is that good enough? Then only have you changed the lane. Once you drop your Agami, only in this lane can you recognize, oh, there is an exit coming up. Now I can exit. That's where your prarabdha ends. Are you getting this?